Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video. I know it's been a minute. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's a good time to subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Now, I'm just making this video real quick. Not that there's been not that it's been thousands of people reaching out, but there's been a few people reaching out to me, asking me where I've been. I know the last video I dropped was probably 3 weeks ago, almost a month ago, and that was recorded before, so I mean a little bit before, so you know, I've been gone for a minute. Many reasons. First off, life is life, so I've been juggling, keeping my suite going, building new clientele in the suite, which we have got to a point where we good now. You know what I'm saying? It's been a blessing. But I've just been trying to balance life. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how old some of y'all are, but you know, after a while, shit seems real good. You know what I'm saying? But it'll take that one little feather on top of the mountain that'll knock everything down. So that's where I'm trying to make sure everything is good on my end, my wife, my kids, the business, her business. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of things going on. Also, I don't know if y'all noticed this or not. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm a little on the healthy side, right? A little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I've been also balancing with that and trying to get myself back together for a multitude of reasons, the health reasons. I'm getting older. The older you know, when you're young, just like when they say you can drink all day when you're young, but by the time you start getting older, it don't look good. So I had a quick thought, because I used to be a personal trainer. I know, hard to believe, but if you go back, anyway, I used to be a personal trainer, so I have actually had quick thoughts of trying to get back into that. Like, not that to take over what I'm doing now, but just a thought. You know, sometimes you want to challenge yourself, but to be a personal trainer, you have to look like something. So I'm also trying to get myself back into the healthy realm of things, right? So I got that. Now with the videos, I've slowed down on YouTube and on Instagram. And again, that's for a multitude of reasons, life, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But I've also not been as motivated to do a lot of videos. You get what I'm saying? Not that, like, I got new products in that I could be doing, I could be reviewing, but I've been trying to get myself, I guess I needed to take a break from it from a little bit, you know what I'm saying, and step back for a second and figure out what I want to do. I felt like my videos are getting kind of stale, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to the few people that have hit me up and that I've had conversations with back and forth, and that are looking for my input on certain things, you know what I'm saying. So that's been cool, and that's been cool to see that people are still wanting to see what I think about products and see what's been in my arsenal, and you know, things of that nature. So I am getting back to that, you know what I'm saying. And I know for a while I was doing 2 videos a week. I think just until I get back in the swing of things, I'm gonna drop down to 1 a week, unless I have something going on where I can post a little bit more. But I think just so I don't die off and put, you know, a few of the content creators that watch me, you understand that it takes a lot to balance life, especially if you got kids and other things going on. It takes a lot to balance that life situation, making content, also working, also building clientele, also taking time for yourself. So something, if you try to put too much energy into one thing, it kind of don't balance out, you know what I'm saying. I started a podcast, Late to the Party podcast. It's a music-based podcast. I know I posted when I first started my Chatterbox, I started another podcast. I put up some clips on here. People got mad at me, so they're not on this channel. If you do want to follow my podcast, I'll put the link down in the description. But I've been trying to figure out my next steps with this. What do I actually want to do with the creating the content? Because I do like trying out new products. I do like talking about the new stuff that I get with y'all and with people on Instagram that hit me up. So that's been good. So with the people that's been reaching out. I am gonna get back in the swing of things. I know I've said it in a few of my videos that I posted. I've been trying to get back in the swing of things, but I think we're getting there. I think sometimes you just gotta take a break, take some time for yourself, get some things situated. And I haven't completely stopped posting on Instagram. It just hasn't been as consistent as I usually was. You know what I'm saying? So that's been good. Also, if y'all see in the background, I'm watching this Kendrick and the live performance. If y'all know me, I am a music person. So with the beef of Drake and Kendrick, you know how people, they engulf themselves into sports. Like when it's football season, when it's basketball season, although I do watch basketball and I watch football, I watch boxing, I watch UFC, all that. Music is like my other life. I would rather be somewhere in music rather than some of the things that I've been trying to do in life. You know what I'm saying? So watching this Kendrick and Drake back and forth, talking about that with people, that has consumed a lot of my time as well. A lot of the little extra time I have had, I've been having fun, sometimes a little odd debates. You know, you start to, even when I'm debating with people about Clippers or talking about Clippers, going through this debate with people about who won the battle, who's a better rapper, blah blah blah. Some people get a little personal over. It's just music, guys. It's just music. But back to the videos. I have ordered a few things. I've ordered. I seen Caliber has a new trimmer out. I ordered that. I'm gonna try to get the new Babyliss color set in for the FX1 to see if there's anything different with that. I got a few surprises of products that I will be reviewing and trying out. Sometimes my addiction takes a hold, so I got some things on the way. All right, so I know not everybody has been reaching out to me, but if you have reached out to me, or if you've just been wondering where the hell is Reggie, I'm chilling, trying to get back into the swing of things, consistency. My followers and everything slowed down. Followers slowed down, views slowed down, everything slowed down. So we're gonna get back on the rigmarole, right? We're gonna get back in the swing of things. So to help that get back in the swing of things, we are at 20,000 subscribers and like 20,300 or something like that. So with that being said, with me getting back in the swing of things, I'm gonna do a giveaway at 25,000 subscribers. So we got about 5,000 to go, right? Once I hit another 5,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a nice giveaway: clippers, trimmers, shears, a whole shebang. Thinking about even throwing one of these in there, one of them Get Beam, the Beam XL from Tune 45. I got a few things I'm gonna put in the giveaway. So help your boy, help me, help y'all, help me get back in the swing of things by telling somebody to tell a friend to tell your auntie and them that Cuts by Reggie will be back in rotation, and he'll be doing a giveaway of 25,000 subscribers, maybe two giveaways, maybe a big one, and then, you know, something smaller for the appreciation and support. And since I've been gone for a while, I didn't do the giveaway at 20,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? So we got that too. So anyway, if you've been questioning, I've been dealing with life, good, the bad, the ugly. I'm still working out some of that, but I also do want to get back into rotation of certain things that can also help me in life, in the sense of keeping my head, keeping my mind going, where I'm not complacent and where I don't have too much time to think. Because if you have too much time to think on your own, boy, it can get a little crazy. Long story less long. I honestly planned on this being less than 5 minutes, but y'all know how I ramble. I get caught up. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And like I said, I have some new items on the way. I have some new unboxings. I'm gonna start filming more cuts. I got some reviews that I need to put up. So here we are, finishing off the second leg of the year We're gonna try to go strong. Try to go strong. Keep it pushing. Join the ride. Peace.